All right, good morning, guys, and welcome to our latest update for Game Theory. So, very excited just to go through what we've been working on for the past couple of days and let everyone know where we're at. So, first off, just to go through our statistics, if we hop over to the website and have a look. So, total value locked, we're now sitting at $1,091,335. So, that's been fluctuating anywhere from like a million to I think a million $1,400,000 over the past couple of days. So that's kind of the general range in which we are at. If we head over to the tokens, we look at game. We're sitting at currently at $1.43. It's $360,000 in liquidity, and we had $61,000 of volume over the past 24 hours. And if we look at theory, we're sitting at 64.35 right now, $290,000 worth of liquidity, and we had $96,000 in volume over the past 24 hours. If we head over to look at holders, so if we look at game right now, we're sitting at 274 different addresses have their game token right now. And it just goes to show you like where we're at. It's like we're still so early on, is that that's a really small number of people to have all of that value and all of those tokens spread out between. Just for some context, right now, Tomb Finance has over 30,000 unique holders. So just to kind of show you where we're working ourselves towards, and as this number continues to increase, what you're going to see is the liquidity is going to be going up, and the amount that the price is moving is also going to slow down as more people are actually in the protocol and it's spread between more people. Okay. Right. In terms of the treasury, we have $43,556 in stable coins currently sitting in our treasury, and that's going to be going up as soon as the NFT minting is resumed. In terms of NFTs themselves, right now, so there are 243 bronze Generation 1 NFTs left. So 57 of them have already been minted from the 300 that are available. Like I was saying, that's paused right now, and that'll be getting resumed in probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks. In terms of our social channels, so our Discord continues to keep on going up. So right now we've got 1,247 members in our Discord, and we only crossed the 1,000 mark a few days ago. So we've already gained over 200 new Discord members since then. And we're sitting at 315 people on our Twitter account. So that was like 150 people following our Twitter a few days ago as well. So you see a lot of growth across the social media channels. And if we head over to the TVL list, so on DeFi Llama, so based on where we currently are with our TVL at just over $1 million, that would put us at the number 16 spot on this list. Some really cool protocols like within that range too. So you've got Unite Finance, Scarab Finance, Comfy Money, 2Ohm. So a lot of protocols that are doing well in that. In the 10th spot, we've got Miniverse. So that's 3.73 million. So that's the range we need to be in order to be in the top 10. For the top five, so you got Bomb Money there at 7.8 million. And then obviously the number one spot, we got Savannah Finance, and then Tomb itself at 414 million. So dark crypto there as well. So a lot of really cool protocols that are things for us to aspire to getting to that point as well. Protocols that we can learn from, and also protocols that we can collaborate with in the future. So that's where we are in terms of statistics. In terms of what we've been working on in development, so right now we have our founder and our head developer, Sweetie. So she is working on the governance token. So one of the questions we got asked is like, what is the goal of the governance token? Because with some of the other seniorish protocols, they talk about the share token as being the governance token. But for us, we're really serious about what we mean by a governance token. And so this token, people are going to be able to exchange their theory token to get the governance token. And that's going to give them the ability to vote on protocol matters. And we're not talking about trivial stuff, but things that are very important. The first vote is going to be on what the maximum level of NFT should be. Initially, we had the idea of a level 50 being the maximum level. Through discussions with the team and with some of our investors, we felt that actually might be able to give too much power to the NFT. So bringing that to a level 20 being the maximum level. And so we're going to be putting that to a vote to the entire community, and they're going to get to decide. That's a really influential thing. And so those are the types of votes that people are going to be able to participate in by being a governance token holder. So that's, and then they're going to get the benefit of, they're going to get a share of the treasury's allocation of theory tokens are going to get given to governance token holders too. So it's going to be something that's really powerful, that really means something. So when we say governance, we really mean that we want our community to have a voice in the things that we're doing as a project. The other thing, we have the two developers that we brought onto the team last week. So each have their own projects now. So we're able to work 3 times as fast, having 3 developers. So one of our developers is working on the NFT marketplace. Already the first test draft of that is done, and now it's being refined and worked on. And then our second developer is working on our lottery system. So we have 3 big projects all in development. Plus, on top of that, we have 2 web developers who are working to completely redesign our website. The initial looks of that looks absolutely incredible. Really, really important for us as a protocol too, because of all the different mechanics we have and the complexities that we have going on. The redesign is really going to be simplifying everything. We know that, like, if you go and look at Theoretics right now, there's a lot going on. So this is going to make the user experience incredibly easier and more efficient too. So we have these 4 big projects all going on right now. We have the governance token, we've got the marketplace, we've got the lottery, and we have the website too. So we have a whole team of developers working to get new things out for the protocol as quickly as possible. The other thing we have, actually, that's not even true. We have an extra developer too. So we also have a couple developers working on us on building a Discord game that's going to be able to track the level of activity that people are having in our Discord server, and later also with our Twitter, and gamify it and turn it into a really fun game. And eventually there's going to be NFTs coming along with that game where people get to battle their NFTs against each other, a little bit like Pokemon. And it's all just going to be about rewarding people who are very active in the community. So we're going to let you guys know like all the full details of that when it rolls out. So we have the governance token, the marketplace, the lottery, the website, and the Discord game. So 5 different features that are all being built right now that are all going to be helping to benefit the protocol. In terms of marketing, so we have an AMA coming up with the Phantom influencer Walter White. So that's going to be happening in the next couple of days. So look out for that. We also have the Phantom ecologist, who is an ambassador for the project as well. So he's spreading the message and talking about us on Twitter and across Discord. Next week, we have some YouTube AMAs lined up with different influencers, and we also have some more Phantom influencers that are going to be coming on board and representing the protocol. We also are in partnership talks with a couple of different projects as well. So we'll keep you guys informed on our progress of what's going on in the background. And then as soon as we have anything official to announce, we'll be letting everyone know. We also are right now in the application stage to get ourselves listed on DeFi Llama. We have the proposal up to get ourselves listed on DBank. So if you haven't voted for that, you can see it in the announcements. Please go onto DBank and upvote our proposal to get us listed there. And we also have applied to be listed on Firebird's decentralized exchange. So they have billions of dollars of volume come through their DEX. And so we want to get listed on that as well. In terms of just some general questions of things that have come up. So people have asked about the NFT minting. So once the governance token is released, and then once we have the vote on the maximum level of the NFTs, as soon as that vote has passed, and then we just edit the details in the contracts, then the NFT minting would come back live again. So anyone who's there right now, you will be able to mint NFTs again within the next couple of weeks. And then we have a lot of new people who come into the protocol too. So I just want to just give a really quick overview of how L Theory works. So when you claim your rewards from the farm, you get 2 different types of tokens. You get your Theory tokens, which you can do whatever you want with. You can compound them, you can put them into Theoretics, and you get your L Theory tokens too. So those L Theory tokens, there are 3 different ways in which you can unlock them and turn them into Theory tokens. You can either get an NFT, and that will allow you to unlock some of those tokens. You can play Brutal Network, which is our RPG game that's going to be getting released within 12 months of launch, and that will help you to unlock it through playing different quests. Or you could wait for the full time for them to get unlocked. Every L Theory token will be unlocked by March 2024. The other question we got asked a lot about is the NFTs. So with the NFTs, we have 2 different generations of NFTs that exist right now. We have our Generation 0 NFTs and we have our Generation 1 NFTs. The different things that those NFTs provide, the first thing they provide is the ability to unlock L Theory tokens. So based on the level of your NFT determines how much you're able to unlock. So if you have a level 1 NFT, you can unlock 1% of your L Theory tokens. If you have a level 10 NFT, you can unlock 10% of your L Theory tokens that you have in your wallet. The second thing they provide you is premium membership to the RPG game Brutal Network. So you'll be able to have different quests, different events, different competitions, different gear that you can get them to people that don't have those NFTs. The other thing that it's going to allow you to have is a collectible. So as the protocol and the ecosystem gets more and more value, having one of these NFTs also becomes more and more valuable too, especially because there's a limit on them. So, for example, with our Generation Zero NFTs in bronze, there was only 100 of those ever minted, and we've already seen multiple sales of that happen on our peer-to-peer marketplace before the actual official marketplace is even released, because people see the value in having those NFTs. And then the other value you get from them is that when the marketplace is coming out, and also right now, you can buy and you can sell them too. So they have a monetary value based on how the market views those NFTs. The other question we get is about NFT merging. So, like, what is the point of that? So the point of NFT merging is that if you have two NFTs that are both level 2, instead of having to wait 3 days to increase them by one level each time, if you have two level 2 NFTs, you can merge them together and you can have one level 4 NFT. So basically just allows you to speed up the process to get a higher level of NFT faster if you merge them. Cool. So that is all the things we got going on for today. Again, to reiterate, guys, we have 5 different things being built for the protocol right now. We have the governance token, we have the NFT marketplace, we have the lottery, we have the Discord game being built for us, and we have the website being completely redesigned. We are in the throes of our first full week of marketing, so we have multiple different YouTube videos coming out, AMAs with different influencers. We have a lot of people on the Phantom Network getting involved with our project. So anyone who's here right now, you're still incredibly early. Like you saw, we only have 274 unique holders, so that's just a tiny group of people. So as that increases, as that goes to 500 people, 1,000 people, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000. As those holders continue to increase, you're going to see that our tokens are going to be spread across a wider amount of people. We're going to have more liquidity. There's going to be more price stability, and we're just going to go onwards and upwards. So we're really excited, guys. We're so excited for you guys who are here with us along this journey and what we can do in the future. All right, have a great rest of your day, guys, and we'll speak to you soon.